Hi crafters, and welcome back to this week's weekly giveaway. Thank you for joining in with me again, and thank you very much for joining in on my last video. I know that you enjoyed it because of all of your comments. They were very nice. Thank you very much indeed. But if you want to comment again on this one, that's absolutely brilliant too. Hope you liked our butterfly one and you were able to make your own designs, whether you added your own embellishments from our pound shop or whether you just used the button ones that were with it. Hope you enjoyed it. It would be great to see them. If you want to put the pictures onto our Facebook, that would be really good. And now I'm going to move on to this week's one. This one is by Carol Brown. I think this is absolutely beautiful. Carol Brown is one of our exclusive designers. She's been with us since near enough day one, but she's been with us a long time. I'm sure Carol will have seen us move along as we have, and now we're doing the videos, and Carol, your design is on, so thank you for giving us that. As you can see, it is a kit of 3 sheets. We have the beautiful one, the front card first of all, which obviously you can cut out and make into your own card. Then we have this one, as you can see, absolutely beautiful Carol. If you were wanting to choose one of Carol's designs to find and follow, you could, like I was explaining last time on the YouTube video, I showed you how to follow her or how to follow other designers. Carol may be the one that you want to try to follow this week. As I say, with this beautiful card we do give away a free gift, as you know, if you are into our weekly giveaway. This week we're giving these jewels, and these will enhance the picture on the there you go, can you see them? Oh sorry, there you go. These jewels I think will complement this colour scheme, absolutely wonderful, and obviously there's going to be lots more for you to make with your next cards. They come in 4 colours, of course. You've got the light pink, the cerise pink, the purple, and then the blue. And with any craft project, you can make anything bling with these. They're absolutely beautiful, but I do think they'd be really lovely complement to this lovely card that Carol sent in. I really do. Okay, so let me tell you all about our gold stars. Now, some of you will have heard lots about them, and some of you will be really new to them, but it's absolutely brilliant. It's unique to ourselves. There's only Craft Shoe Print that do the gold star system. No other website lets you earn money in this way at all. So if you can just simply take a photograph of your craft project, so say you've made this, we need to take a photograph of it. It's to show other crafters of what the card would look like once it's made. Okay, you can join in the fun. Let me just show you how. Okay everyone, hope you enjoyed the video on the gold star system there. Hope it helps you. Come along, get involved. You make your cards, you take the pictures, and then you'll be making the money. All these cards can go on your home page. Not only will it look lovely, your home page with them on show, but you can show your friends, have a little pose, have a little show around, show them how clever you are. And I really look forward to seeing your creations. I really do. I hope you get going. I hope you get into it, because it is really worth it. Every little counts, as they say. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to this because obviously this is our weekly giveaway. Okay, obviously you've seen the 3 sheets. Okay, we've got those that I've showed you already, but inside, as you can see, you've got the insert, which obviously finishes off the card. It's absolutely beautiful. I think it's just wonderful. It looks professional. It's something that you can all do. It's free. You get your freebies. So come along, give it a go. And now I'm going to hand you over to Anne-Marie, who'll be able to show you how to make it. Enjoy!
Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this episode of Cut TV, brought to you by www.craftshoeprint.com. In this episode we're going to be looking at a gorgeous mini kit from Carol Brown, and the cup number is 551256_118, and the kit is called Special Days. You get 3 sheets in the kit, and I want to run through the sheets that you get, and then we're going to make the gorgeous card. So the first sheet you get is the main base image for the card front, and then you get 3 sentiment labels. One of the sentiment labels is actually blank for you to add your own message, and then the other 2 have wording in with love on your wedding day and with love to a beautiful couple. The next sheet that you get is the decoupage layers to build up the card front. The third sheet is the insert panel and some more decoupage for the card front. So those are the 3 sheets that you get in the card. Now you're going to need an 8x8 card base. So that's a blank card base in the size of 8x8 inches. I've actually made my own, but there are plenty available out there. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I've taken the blank label and I've just added the words made for you with love, and I'm going to add this to the back of the card. So this was the blank sentiment label that was included on one of the sheets, and I just thought this would finish off the card perfectly. So we'll add that just to the bottom of the card back, and then I'm going to create the insert. So I'm going to take the insert panel, and I've already cut it out of the sheet. It's going to sit perfectly on the inside of the card. I've got double-sided tape on the back of the card. Now, I always say double-sided tape, and that's exactly what it is, double-sided adhesive tape. And if you went to www.craftshoeprint.com and looked for the Crafty Bob Pound Shop, there are lots of things in there available, including some of the miscellaneous things that you might need for your card making, including tape and 3D foam, so please check it out. So I'm adding the insert panel to the inside of the card, and that looks so gorgeous. But I've also taken one of the sentiment labels from one of the sheets, and I'm going to add this as well. So now you don't have to, but this is just an idea. I'm going to add it roughly about there, so there's still room for you to be able to write your message above and below, to, from, etc. So I'm just adding the label to the side of the beautiful image, and that is the insert complete. Now that's going to match perfectly to the outside of the card. I'm going to start off with the base image for the card, and I've got double-sided flat adhesive again on the back, so I'm simply peeling the back of that away, and then I'm going to position the image just through the centre of the card like so. I'm going to press it down, and then I'm ready to build the decoupage. Now the first layer is a larger layer. I've got 3D foam pads on the back of it, and I'm simply going to position it over the image, over the matching section, and I'm going to marry the image up and then press it down. There we go. So that builds our first layer on the card. Now the next layer is the side panel, and what I've done after I've cut it out, I've just added pearls along the edge of it, just to give it just a little bit of extra embellishment. And I've just used ivory pearls. You don't have to, but I just thought, as I was prepping it, I thought, oh, you know what, they would look so pretty on there. So I'll press that down. Now the next layer is the actual rose bouquet decoupage layer, and what I thought was it would look great with some extra ribbon behind it. Again, you don't have to. It's just my spin on what I see as the, you know, as the gorgeous card design. And I've added just a couple of pieces of ribbon. Now, this doesn't look very much. I've simply just placed 2 pieces of ribbon together and made it into like a ribbon bow with tails without the actual bow. And I'm going to position it just behind the actual bouquet, and then I'm going to marry up the bouquet image on the front of the card. So it looks like it's got the actual real ribbon with it. Then I've taken the other sentiment label and I've got 3D foam on the back of it, and I'm simply going to position that just underneath the bouquet on the top side. There we go. And lastly, I've just got the decoupage for the bouquet that the bride's holding, and that's on 3D foam, so we can add that to the front of the card. And that is our card finished. Such a pretty card inside and on the front, and then we've got our label on the back as well, which you could add your name so the person receiving it knows who it's from on their happy day. So please check out Carol's other beautiful designs. The cup number as a reminder for this kit is cup 551256_118, and I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you at the next episode.
All right, brilliant. Thank you, Anne-Marie. That was fantastic. You did a wonderful job of showing us how to make it, and obviously it will look like this at the end, so thank you very much indeed. Everything you see here with us is exclusive. All of the designers that give us the images to create these beautiful cards are all exclusive designer stores. You won't find them anywhere else in any other shops at all, so that's another good thing as well. If you don't have a printer, don't worry, we can print them for you. Things have moved on where people wanted to print their own, but now we offer the facility. It's quite new to us, but we do offer it for you on good quality paper, 200 gram, just to let you know that the facility's there. Okay. If you need instructions on how to get the weekly giveaway, whether it's a printed one or a downloaded one, I'll show you at the end of this show, but just wanted to let you know that it's there. I'd like to say thank you very much indeed again for joining me. I have had fun again making this video for you. Please, please, please subscribe. There you go. Please join me. Keep me here. I love it. It's great. Thank you. See you all again soon. Happy crafting. One way is to go to the Crafts You Print website. Click on the free stuff at the top. Click here to get your freebie. Next, scroll down and enter your email address here.
Then confirm your email and click Submit. We will then send you your fun freebie. If you don't have a printer or if you're having trouble downloading from your mobile device, don't worry, Crafty Bob will print the sheets for you for free. Simply click on the Add to Cart button here and check out in the normal way. A small postage charge will be added and every printed weekly giveaway will receive a free £3 craft gift. Another way to get your freebie is from your dashboard. Let me log in. After you log in, click on Freebies, bottom left. Then click on Weekly Giveaway. You can download your freebie here by clicking on Click here to download.